Okay, we've got the roll bar cover and the orange grab handle. Basically what we're going to do is assemble this. And we're going to do it so that the most of the orange part is on the bottom, which otherwise you've got this mostly black side. Alright, got that like that. And what we're going to do is mount these on the roll bar. So I'm going to slip this up onto the roll bar from the door surround. Grab the middle one, bring it around to start it. Now you could spend a lot of time trying to decide if you want your straps to go in or out or whatever. I have a feeling it's not going to matter too much either way on this because these roll bars are kind of thin on padding. So I'm going to make it so the straps land on the top. Bring that down. Nice and snug. That we think. You like that position?
Yep.
Basically right in between these two. So let's go do the other side. There we go. What do you think?
Looks nice.
Yeah? Dude, that's so awesome. I'm sweating. It's hot. It's like 1,000,000 degrees out here. So we got these Bartact seatbelt covers, which will give you a little bit of padding and help freshen up these old worn seatbelts. And basically, just Velcro onto themselves. They're adjustable to fit the size you need. Let's do your other side. Nice. The only thing I do find about the driver's side is same thing on my Jeep is because you've got, for some reason, the seatbelt adjustment thing is a little bit high, so it'll hang a little bit when it's off, but when it's on, it'll be just normal. So just make sure you don't slam your seatbelt constantly in there. All right, now we got these Molle bags. Bartact is sort of famous for having the PALS webbing, the ladder system on here. So we can put bags on the backs of the front seats or the back seat. I think we're going to do the back seat just to keep things sort of out of the way. But basically, the way these work is we're going to find the center, which it looks like we're going to be off center just a smidge. All right, so you're going to run through the first. You're going to go up into the bag. Like that. Then you're going to run through the next one. This is how you weave the PALS system. Then you're going to go back up through the bag. And then you're going to go back through the webbing on the seat. And then you've got this little tab here. And then basically with this, what you're going to do is go down one below, and it's going to lock up inside of that. There's several different types of bag systems. There's snaps and all kinds of stuff, but these are designed to fit just like that. Cool, so now that's may as well be sewn onto the back of the bag of the seat. That's why this system is so nice. So let's go, we'll just pick one from the outside for these. Same thing, through the top and through the bag. And a lot of people get this wrong because if you're not in a military or a paramilitary environment, PALS ladder webbing, Molle gear is just not familiar to you. So I've seen a lot of people incorrectly install bags like this, and then they find that they sag over time when you get weight in them. And the reason they're sagging so bad is because they're not properly woven. This is a system where you weave it, kind of like those old lawn chairs. I don't know if anybody still makes those lawn beach chairs that have the webbing, but it's kind of what it's like. All right. There's that. And we got one more bag. Let's do it. Get you all geared out. What do we do? One from the outside? Yep. Always just tuck this under the last one that you can get to. Alright, there we go. Check it. Baggage. It's awesome. We have one more thing for you. Last thing we have to Bartactify your Jeep. Yes, that's a verb now. I made it. Bartactify. It's making it awesome. Is this guy here, because if you can never have too much storage. So you probably won't run this full time, but when you're out trailing or whatever and you want to store some gear in here, this is just a nice little pouch. It's got some different pockets in it, but will allow you to have a place to store whatever. Anyway, that's it. Bartact seat covers, 2004 TJ, and this thing is getting more awesome by the video. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.